Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, HollywoodShono Tech Reviews here. About to give you another tech review video. I know it's been a little while since I've done one, but we are back with the Microsoft Surface Pro 7, which you guys can see right here, and we have the 512 gig, 16 gigs of RAM version with the i7 processor, 10th generation. It's been a while since I've actually owned a Surface Pro device, but we're going to open this up right now and show you guys what is inside. So I already pre-sliced this because I hate fiddling around with that, and look at that. That is just gorgeous inside. Absolutely stunning packaging right there, and feels really good to the hand. You can see all the I/O and stuff right there too. And in the box should be a charging brick and some instructions, and no pen, no type cover, but luckily we came with a type cover, and this one is the Green Bay Packers type cover. So inside the box should be the, I believe, 60-watt power supply, which does support fast charging. And like always, it has the USB port right here, so you can charge an additional device like your cell phone using one adapter. And let's go unbox the Surface Pro 7 and open the package. And that just looks beautiful. Let's turn it on for the first time. And bam. We have the type cover fully installed. So I'm going to be playing around with this for the entire day since I am off of work. And if you guys want to see a follow-up video to the Surface Pro 7 and some of the stuff we can do like gameplay testing and whatnot, leave your comments down below. But thank you for watching this unboxing and tech review video, as we're going to be setting this up off camera. And have a wonderful day, kids.
Fit me.